What is good, everyone? It is your boy DSG Panther. Now today we are finally going to be installing a Maxton front splitter on my Polo GTI. So without further ado, like and subscribe and let's get into this video.
Still go.
Alright guys, we're just about to get on our way to go and see Lewis. As you know, Lewis is a massive supporter and always helps me install all splitters, body kits, etc. to my car. So we have the Maxton front splitter with me today, my little passenger, my little friend. But yeah, we're going to go and drive to Lewis. He's going to help me install this. I've got the tripod this time so I can record a bit more. But yeah, let's get on our way to go and see Lewis. Hopefully this front splitter looks insane. I'm hoping it does. But yeah, I'll catch you guys when we are at Lewis's and we are under the car putting the front splitter on. Yeah, I'll catch you guys then. Alright guys, we are now at Lewis's. We are now going to get this on the ramp and yeah, hopefully we're going to install the front splitter today. Okay everyone, so here we are. We are installing the Maxton front splitter. I think it's the V2, so it's quite the big one. But yeah, so this is me and Lewis. Shout out to Lewis, as always helping me out install stuff on my car. But here we're just making sure that it fits, adjusting it. We are using like 100 tappers. As you can see, we are literally screwing them. Like we must have used 30 plus self tappers just to make sure that this is not coming off, because if you know, splitters come off so easily. So I'd recommend you line it up, make sure the splitter fits, tape it down just so it holds in place so you can see if it fits properly. It should do if you bought the right one, and then yeah, just cut holes into it. You'll have an idea of where to cut once you've aligned it up. Make sure you line all of them up, and then you literally just need someone to hold it up for you. Go along and just drill all the holes in. It's really not that hard. Also make sure you jack the car up if you want. It's just a bit easier. But yeah, honestly, just jack the car up, get the screws in. As you can see, it's not rocket science. Really easy to do, front splitter, which is why this video is quite short. But yeah, as I said, massive shout out to Lewis and Maxton. This splitter is absolutely sick. Now, let's get into the little cinematics of the Maxton front splitter.
Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making.
Alright guys, we are now home. Ignore the tip, we're just getting rid of rubbish. But yeah, we are now home, and as you can see, the front splitter is on. Look how sick that front splitter looks. Honestly, I'm so chuffed with it. Let me know what you think in the comments. Rate it out of 10. In my personal opinion, I'm gonna give it a solid 9 out of 10. I think it looks absolutely sick. Then obviously this Friday we are getting the lowering springs put on, so this is just gonna be slammed and it's gonna be looking sick. But yeah, honestly, the quality, this is not coming off. We've put so many screws in it. Let me try and show you. Yeah, look how many screws we have put in this. As you saw in the overlay, it is mental. We have put so many screws in it, so this is definitely not coming off the car anytime soon. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Obviously it was just a quick one just to show you guys the front splitter, which is looking sick. It's definitely set the car off a lot better. Just makes it a little bit more aggressive, because obviously at the back we've got, you know, the rear diffuser, and then you kind of got like a little side skirt from factory, so it looks quite cool. And obviously now we've got the big boy front splitter, so yeah, just looks sick. If you guys have enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. We are so close to hitting 2,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel, which would mean the absolute world if we could hit 2,000 subscribers. But yeah, massive shout out to Maxton. This front splitter is sick. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and also before I end the video, massive shout out to Lewis for helping me fit this. You can follow him here. Anything you need doing, body kits, spoilers, front splitters, anything, he can do it for you. I choose to help him because it's for the videos and I'm a nice person, but you can just let him do it if you want to, but it comes at a cost. Nothing is free in this world. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. That has been the front splitter on the Polo GTI. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, DSG Panther, and follow me on TikTok, because we are booming on TikTok, and my TikTok is DSG_Panther. But yeah, see you guys in the next YouTube video. Peace.